Welcome to the Banker Lamp. Please enjoy the video.
You start by confirming the baseline. Open a terminal and run Java version so you know what you have. Once done, make sure the bitness matches your OS and application, 64-bit Java for 64-bit programs. Next, locate or create Java Home and add its bin to path. This tells the system where the runtime lives. Doing this first prevents many launcher errors. If you already set values, proceed to validate file paths and permissions before attempting to relaunch the app. Now you edit the launcher configuration file. For Eclipse, it's Eclipse. Ini for other apps, find the ini shown by the error. Place the VM line and the absolute path to Java, exe or Java above vmargs so the launcher picks the correct JVM. Once that is in place, remove or update any JVM flags that might be incompatible, such as old GC or memory settings. Mismatched flags cause immediate failures. After saving, close all instances and start the launcher to see if it resolves the issue. To finish, run the application from a terminal so you capture any console errors. This reveals missing libraries or bad arg parsing. If the problem persists, reinstall the JRE or JDK that matches your app's bitness and update Java Home again. Make sure file permissions allow execution and disable or check antivirus or endpoint tools that may block JVM files. If you still see the launcher error, use the console output and the final tip, permissions and security blocks, to guide the next repair steps and then retry.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.